To start, go to the Windows panel to add new composition. Select Layer in the Windows panel to create a solid background. Next, go to the Effects and Presets panel. Select Effects and Presets, select Generate, then find Gradient Ramp. Drag and drop the Gradient Ramp effect to the composition monitor. Now, you are all set. Now you can see two colors blending in the monitor. You can adjust the position of this effect. You can also change the colors. To what colors would you like to blend? Gradient Ramp has a two model, linear and radial. Let's try radial ramp. As I said earlier, you can use this effect in text. Now, I will demonstrate it to you. Go to the tools, select text, then add any word that you want to type. For example, I use a Latin quote, Vox Populi, Vox Dei, which means the voice of the people is the voice of God. Let's scale the text up so it will be easy and it will be more visible when we add the effect. Select Save Action in the composition monitor so you can adjust the position of the subject accurately. Now, we can add the gradient ramp to the text. Similar to the background, you can adjust its components on what do you prefer. Go to the tools, then select the magnifying glass icon indicating zoom in and zoom out. By using this, you can now easily zoom in and zoom out to your subject with just one click. Now we learned the basics of gradient ramp effect. But wait, we're not done yet, cause we are just beginning. In Adobe After Effects, you can use effects on the subject as many as you can. Now, let's try adding more effects. Go to the Effects and Presets panel. Select Perspective, then select Bevel Alpha. As you can see, the Bevel Alpha effect made your text subject more like a 3D model. Now, let's try adding drop shadow effect. If you look closely to the subject, you can see that there is now a shadow behind it. We can adjust the shadow position. The shadow becomes more visible if we raise its distance. Now let's add one more effect. This will be the last effect in this video. Select Effects and Presets, select Stylize, then select Glow. Glow, from the name itself, allows the subject to have a brighter color. Congratulations! Now you learned the basics of gradient ramp effect, and now you learned that you can add more than one effect in Adobe After Effects. Thank you for watching. I am not allowed to open this door and go outside unless everyone subscribe. So please, subscribe!